Hello guys, this is the second video of 25 MCQ series. What is the correct formula to calculate the cost of a cloud computing deployment? Cost cloud equals summation of unit cost cloud divided by revenue plus cost cloud. Cost cloud unit cost cloud divided by revenue minus cost cloud. Cost cloud summation unit cost cloud into revenue minus cost cloud. The correct unit cost is usually defined as the cost of a machine instance per hour or another resources. So its correct answer is B. Which of the following is the wrong statement about cloud computing? Private cloud doesn't imply the same level of virtualization. Data center operates under average loads, correct. Private cloud doesn't pull resources that a cloud computing provider can achieve. It is also correct. Abstraction enables the key benefits of cloud computing, shared ubiquitous access. These three are correct, so its correct wrong statement is A. So its correct answer is A. Identify the wrong statement about cloud computing. Virtualization assigns a logical name for a physical resources and then provides a pointer to that physical resources when a request is made. Correct. Virtual appliances are becoming a very important standard cloud computing deployment object. It is also correct. Cloud computing requires some standards protocols like NSIT, etc. So it is also correct. So wrong statement is D. Its correct answer is D. Microsoft Azure is a computing service. Distributed, wrong. High performance systolic array, पैरेलल कंप्यूटिंग में ये यूज करते हैं हम लोग. So its correct answer is B. Identify the correct statement about cloud computing. Cloud computing relies on a set of protocols needed to manage inter-process communication. Platforms are used to create more complex software. Cloud architecture can couple software running on virtualization hardware in multiple locations to provide an on-demand services. All three are correct, so all of the above is the correct answer. The most commonly used services use a set of discovery and description protocols based on WSDL. That is Web Services Description Language. Point out the wrong state. Cloud services span the gamut of computer applications, correct. The impact of cloud computing on network communication is to discourage the use of open source network protocols in place of proprietary protocol. It is wrong. Atom is syndication format that allows for HTTP protocol to create and update information. It is also correct. So a wrong statement is B. Correct answer B. Which of the following is required by cloud computing? That the identity be authenticated, correct. That the authentication be portable, correct. That you establish an identity, correct. So its correct answer is D. Cloud computing is a concept that involves pooling physical resources and offering them as which sort of resources? Cloud, real, virtual. Its correct answer is virtual. Which of the following services does not come under the category of cloud computing? SaaS, software as a service. PaaS, platform as a service. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. BDaaS, big data as a service. SaaS, PaaS and IaaS, these are the services of the cloud computing. So its wrong is correct option is D. Which of the following is the cloud platform provided by Amazon? Amazon के द्वारा कौन सा क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया जाता है? AWS, क्लाउड, टेरा, एजियोर, ये तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है. Its correct answer is AWS. Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Services, an infrastructure as a service offering that allows users to rent virtual machines on Amazon's own infrastructure, is one of the most successful cloud-based enterprise. Into which expenditures does cloud computing shift capital expenditure? This capital expenditure depends upon the operating. The nature of the service provider and its connection with its client is changing as a result of cloud computing that is based on operating. Point out the wrong statement. With a pay as you go, endlessly expandable and inversely available system, cloud computing realizes the long held goal of utility computing. The widespread use of the internet enables the huge size of cloud computing systems. Correct. Soft computing represents a significant change in the way computers are delivered. So soft computing is something else. So its wrong statement is C. Correct answer C. Cloud computing is differentiated by the idea that resources are virtual and infinite and that the user is shielded from the specifics of the actual infrastructure on which software operates. Which of the following monitors the performance of the major cloud-based services in real time in Cloud Commons? Cloud Commons. The Cloud Commons is a new online community funded by CS certificate authorities to promote information exchange on cloud services and SMI service measurement index standards. Which of the following monitors the performance of the major cloud-based services in real time in Cloud Commons? So CloudWatch is used to see the all resources that are used. Cloud Matrix is something else. So its correct answer is B, Cloud Sensors. Which of the following modules consist of the service that you can access on a cloud computing platform? Its correct answer is service. Which of the following is the most important area of concern in cloud computing? Cloud computing most important area in cloud computing. Scalability, security. Its correct answer is C. Which of the following is the most refined and restrictive cloud service model? PaaS, IaaS, SaaS, CaaS. The most refined restrictive service model is when a service needs the client to use the entire hardware, software, application stacks, and all these are used in PaaS. So its correct answer is PaaS. Which of the following is not a property of cloud computing? Virtualization is a property of cloud, not a property of cloud computing. It is a property of cloud computing. Scalability is also property of cloud computing. So its correct answer is composability. B. Virtualization is achieved by creating a virtual environment of storage devices and servers operating system, while composability is the ability to build application from component parts. How many phases are there in cloud computing planning? In cloud computing planning, there are strategy, planning, and deployment. These three are the phases, so its correct answer is C. Which of the following is an example of SaaS cloud service? Google Workspace, Dropbox, Salesforce, all are the example of SaaS. Which of the most essential concept related to cloud computing? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग से रिलेटेड मोस्ट एसेंशियल कंसेप्ट कौन सा है? Abstraction reliability. All of the above. The abstraction layer abstracts the control resources, so its correct answer is A. In which of the following service models the hardware is virtualized in the cloud? Infrastructure as a service is an acronym for this. Users of IaaS get computer resources such as software or hardware tools through the internet. In this model, the service vendor owns the equipment, servers, storage, network infrastructure, and so forth. So, 7. Its correct answer is D. IaaS. Which of the following is the virtual machine conversion cloud? Virtual machine conversion cloud. Virtual machine conversion cloud. BMC Cloud Computing Initiative is used for cloud planning, lifecycle management, optimization, and guidance. So its correct answer is C. BMC Cloud Computing Initiative. Which of the following is a workflow control and policy-based automation service by CA? CA Cloud Insights is a cloud metrics measurement service. 59. Its correct answer is CA Cloud Orchestrate. Orchestration is one of the most important topic of the cloud computing. If you see the help on net, you will get details about the orchestrate. An application that provides for transaction overflow in a reservation system is an example of application that provides transaction overflow in a reservation system is an example of busting. Have a simple underline. Correct answer is cloud busting.